Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss how to use views in SQL Server. We'll go over how to create a view, how to query a view, how to update tables through views, and finally how to delete a view. Views are commonly used to simplify complex SQL queries, summarize data from several tables, and to protect data. Views are commonly referred to as virtual tables because they look like tables. Unlike tables, views do not actually store data. Views are queries that derive their data from one or more tables. Like tables, you can perform operations such as sorting, filtering, inserting, and updating data through views. Keep in mind that any changes you make to the table data will affect the output of your view. For our first query, we're going to create a view that stores the join query that you see on the screen, and this join query displays customer information. Our view is going to allow us to simplify this query for later use. So this join query queries the customer table, the orders table, and the service plans table. And you'll see here after the select keyword, it displays the first name from the customer table, the last name from the customer table, the plan name from the service plans table, and then it also displays the order date from the orders table. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to save this query as a view. And the view is going to be called customer orders. So we're going to create a view called customer orders. And to do that, we type the create view keywords above the query. Then we give our view a name, and it's going to be called customer orders. And then we use the as keyword because we're going to save this query as customer orders. So we click execute, and it's going to create a view called customer orders. For our next query, we're going to query the view that we just created called customer orders. We're going to use the select keyword, and then we're going to use the asterisk. That means select all the columns from the customer orders view. And as you can see here, it's the same output of the join that we ran before actually querying the customer orders view. For our next query, we're going to update the customer table through the view we just created called customer orders. We're going to update Tina West to Tina Lewis. So we're going to use an update statement. We're going to update the customer orders view. We're going to set the last name equal to Lewis, where the last name is currently equal to West. And below here it says Tina West. So we execute our query, and it says it was completed successfully. And now we'll go back and take another look at our view and see if the name is updated. And now it says Tina Lewis instead of Tina West. For our last query, we're going to create a query that deletes the customer orders view that we were using earlier. So to delete the customer orders view, we actually type drop view. And then you have the name of the view after drop view keywords. You click execute. It says command was completed successfully. So now the view that we were using earlier is deleted from the system. I hope you enjoyed learning about views today. If you'd like more in-depth learning, check out my SQL course in the description section below.